Here are 4 reasons sticking with legacy technology can expose your business to significant risks. Don't let your ERP become a liability. Security. Cyber attacks are escalating and frequently occur when systems are unattended. Cloud solutions provide enterprise-grade security, automatic updates, and real-time threat monitoring. Technical debt and resources. Legacy systems require costly maintenance that diverts IT staff from strategic work and innovation. Meanwhile, companies hesitate to invest in new technology, risking system failures. Cloud servers are staffed and maintained by experts, and the technology is scalable for the future. Disaster recovery. Cloud solutions offer built-in disaster recovery and automated backups, so you never lose your data. Scalability and agility. A cloud ERP allows you to scale effortlessly to support new business models and market expansion. Real-time insights and automated workflows increase your agility and ability to adapt to changing demands. Don't let these risks jeopardize your business. Contact WM Synergy today to explore how a cloud ERP migration can secure your future and drive your success.